Hola! Dito kami ulit sa... Hola, kuya! Dito kami ulit sa downtown. Naglalakad kami dito sa may... Tingnan niyo, oh. Dito sa may mga skinita. Yan, mga magagandang skinita. Yan. Maglakad-lakad kami. Ayan. Tingnan niyo, oh. The old city here in Seville. Okay, so yeah. Seville is a city with a rich cultural heritage and beautiful historical narrow street. Visitors can discover traces of Seville's rich historical background and culture while doing a walk around the old city. It is full of monumental sights and romantic scenes that really makes everybody to be amazed and comes to like or appreciate the beauty of this said city. And even at night time, it looked like daytime cause of the light that makes the narrow street clear. You can find also hotels and pension houses in every corner of this said city, and with beautiful terraces and wallings with flowers that are decorated by both sides of the houses or buildings. And you can find also souvenir stores in every corner. And while doing an exercise walk around this corner of this narrow yet historical and wondrous street, if you are hungry, you can drop by on one of these resto or bars to eat tapas or drink coffee. And additional simple things that you can be amazed in this said city is the oranges planted on each corner of every street with a lot of orange fruits. And that during summertime, these oranges trees serve as a shades from the sunlight. That makes the city fresh. So, ayan, walking ulit kami. Walking. Ang aming everyday activity, walking. Ayan. Part of the activity is walking. Extra activity. ¿Qué pasa?
No, I want to go back.
Isang oras. Tama na yung paglalakad. Isang oras. Di ba, kuya? Isang oras paglalakad. Tama na yan? Every day?
Until 5 for to visit the cathedral.
No, I mean every day walking.
Yes.
1 hour every day is good.
But it still is few.
Still few?
Yes.
Yes, it's still few for you. But
The
for me,
good
1 hour
to
is
walk
okay.
about 3, 4, 5 hours maybe.
Oh my God, my feet will be. I will be walking without my feet if that is the hour we
And how
will
do you
do.
meet me the first time? Like
You
this.
walk. Oh, very nice.
Walking.
Tingnan niyo yung ano, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Yung view, oh. Ganda. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng view diyan. Hindi kasi makuha kasi phone ang gamit ko. Tong Samsung lang. Yan. Kailangan. Ang ganda ng view, di ba? So beautiful. Right, kuya?
Yes.
It's so beautiful. Really beautiful to walk at this hour. And here comes the Chinese.
Ni hao.
Xing xing kao suo.
Ni hao.
Tingnan nyo ang ganda ng view, di ba? So beautiful view. Ang ganda, di ba? Nakakaaliw tingnan. Ang ganda nga. Yung red ang sky. It's a romantic place. And now, dito kami, we are here in the Porta Jerez Garden.
I don't know the name of the garden.
Huh?
I don't know the name of the garden.
Porta Jerez Garden.
Looking for an internet.
So beautiful. Kaya lang, nakaka-distract, nakaka-disappoint, oh, may rat. Oh, ayun, oh, rat. Go, rat. Nakaka-disappoint maglakad dito. Kasi kung minsan may biglang susulpot na bike, and they doesn't care if they will hit you or
This
what
is Christina's garden.
whatever they do to you.
This is Christina's garden.
Christina's Garden of Puerto Jerez.
Garden of Christina.
Yeah, Garden of Christine. At ang lalaki ng mga punong kahoy. Parang nasa ano ka lang. Yan. At ayun ang bahay. Ayan ang banda doon. Yun, banda doon ay isang hotel na napakalaking hotel, and is a very old hotel for a luxury hotel. At yun, ang isa doon ay isang institute. Yan. Okay, that's it. Yan. So, ayan. At uuwi na kami. Tapos 2 oras kami naglakad. So, that's all for tonight. And it's time again to say bye-bye. Bye-bye, mi amigo.
Bye-bye,
Bye-bye.
amigos.
See you again next time. Bye. Good night, everyone.